So, same thing guys, rationale procedure to the patient, and then expected the sensation, you have a picnic sensation, and then the procedure, introduce the machine, then proper positioning and draping. Okay?
Si Carrion na lang, kasi pa siya dahil
bigger muscles. Bigger muscles. Like, hello, isang muscles.
So, we are going to see your wrist exercise. So, the motor point would be more sa belly, generally more siya sa belly or the bulkiest part of your muscle, and then cathode will be placed more distal as compared to your anode. Okay? For example, the use of your polarity switch is, for example, kung ano siya imuhang, supposedly ang arrangement case is naman, cathode would be mas more siya distal, anode would be more proximal. If for example, na-change din mo siya, so kali na lang imuhang i-switch. Okay? Para di na ka magsigig transfer, or di na rin siya i-transfer, di na rin mo siya i-valley. Okay? So you can use that one.
Saan pag-switch?
And provided guys the area has been cleaned, na-wash na siya with soap and water, then dried. Yeah, make sure your sponges are not dripping. Yeah, make sure also when you place your velcro, especially if you are using velcros, ang soft na side ang naka-stick sa on patient. Kaya sakit man siya if tangtangon, especially if hairy mo ang patient. So lang, relax lang. Ayan. Enough lang, enough. Yeah. Do not let mga wires. Oh, wait lang. What's that on? Wait lang, ha? Okay. Ay, sorry. Wait lang. On first, on ha, before placing this one. On first ha, on. O, di merits na si Michelle. On first ha, on first before placing this one. Dili pa. Provided na self-test na, dili mag-self-test si Michelle.
Pila na to ka demerits, miss?
Both po ano mo i-add.
Kung mag-self-test ka guys, kaya diba, time-consuming man nga, imo dyan i-place diri ang imong electrodes. So, nakaana lang, baro dito sa other set of electrodes. So, nakaana lang ang electrodes, nakaana lang ang electrodes, pwede na ka mag-ana-ana niya, imong iset. Okay, para matest lang imong if okay ba siya.
Sino ang kirig ko?
Okay. So, let's try to, let's try to have muscle twitch. Okay, muscle twitch. So at least 2 to 3 times man. So kung mag 2 to 3 times ko, 20 or 30, pwede man siya mas, for a muscle twitch, dapat mas taas imong interval. Kay kung mas dugol imong interval, kadiyot ra nga walay electricity. Nga mo follow dahil na electricity. For example, sa kani siya nga set up, for 10 milliseconds, you have current. Then for another 50 milliseconds, wala kang current. So meaning taas ang time na wala kay current, rest imo ang muscle before ka mo make og another contraction. Okay, if mas low, lesser ni siya, like for example, 20 lang. So kadiyot ra kayo, murag di double lang imuhang 10, the stimulation or the current mo sum up siya man na you have the tiny contraction. Okay, so mas taas ta og interval. Let's say at 100 and then time. So let's have, generally the treatment is mga 20 to 30 minutes taas na kaya na siya. Okay, let's have 5 lang. Okay, rectangular, this one. Okay. Okay na, carry on. Relax lang. As in relax. Relax na ha.
Go, Carrion.
Okay, na 5 na ha.
Just kidding.
Okay pa?
I feel it.
Okay pa? Okay.
Okay, go more.
Okay. 5. Okay.
Oh, I can feel
5.
it.
Okay.
Ano, work ang
So that is your muscle twitch.
Si feeling sakit?
5.
Go to 5.
Okay. Kaya pa? Okay.
6.
6. I think pwede pa 10. 10?
Oh, you can go.
Okay, so you have the muscle twitch.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Feel mo dili kaya sa kusaw.
Normally guys, you will not change the settings unless hindi mo siya i-zero. Pero to let you see ha, kung sa effect, kung taas ang interval ha,
Oh my God.
taas ang interval, okay, yan ang ma-happen. Okay?
Oh my God.
Okay. Kung mubuang interval, let's try mubuang interval ha. Okay, mas more siya tetanic na. Ay, sorry, niubos na kayo siya. Okay, so ingala na siya. Okay, so taas ang interval. Okay, na-accommodate na iyahang muscle. Ano ko gamay ha? Okay. Muscle twitch. Okay. Then, for your surges, mag-try ta og tetanic again ha, wait lang. Okay. Okay, why do you need to have surges when you have tetanic contractions? As what we observe, kung tetanic contractions, magsige contract imong muscle. So, walay rest imong muscle, pati imong muscle. So, that's why we need to have surges per minute. Ang meaning sa surges per minute is the current rises and goes down gradually. Okay? Naagya po siya current, pero it rises gradually and goes down gradually so as to have rest, okay, between periods. So for example, kung ako na siyang iset, wait lang natin saan iset ang so mas lesser interval, mas more tetanic. So at least 2 to 3 times man. Okay? And then, kung masipiyat mo dili nga, dili 2 to 3 times mo, bigyan po ni siya. Okay, so 5 times 2. Then for the surges, let's have 9. So, ang meaning sa surges, guys, is for example, I have 9 ka full muscle contraction per minute. So 9 ka, 2, 3, until 9. Okay? Okay. And then, since you will have to use this one, okay, this one below, para mo function imong surges, before clicking this one, you will have to see a full contraction first. In a full contraction niya, pisit kani. Okay, for this machine, difference for this machine. Okay, so let's try 5 and sa to say adjust ang time. Okay, kaya na dyan.
Nalingaw ulay ko.
9 to na last. Yan lang pala. Okay pa? So full contraction first.
Keep on.
Okay, so full contraction.
Oh.
Okay.
Ka-weird, miss, oy.
Okay, so totally contraction. Okay. For large muscles, guys, like for example, the muscles of the lower extremity o sa back, difficult siya because you need a very high intensity. Dako man siya nga muscle. Wala so far na try.
Oye daw ba?
Okay, so let's try the other one. Okay?
Inig aftercare, miss, is 0.
Healing aftercare o 0 na siya kanina. Kanina pa din na siya ma-0 kanilang time o service.
Uy, na GG nagtanaw ako.
Then, before turning off, guys, remove before turning off.
Pero i-zero sa ni mo, miss.
0 sa ni siya ganan. Then, remove. Ikaw gagawin here. And then, before turning off. Oh, sige, go far to now. Sige.